Hello, and today we'll be checking the OpenCart multi-vendor marketplace product label plugin. So basically, now the marketplace vendors as well as the web store admin would be able to highlight the products in the store itself using the product labels. Now the labels can be assigned to the products for various factors, like a new item has been come up, or the products are on sale, or whether be your best selling product so as to increase the online sales. So these product labels are visible and can be allocated on different pages itself, and this plugin will surely simplify the advertisement of your products as per your requirement using the labels there. Now this particular plugin is an add-on to the multi-vendor marketplace plugin for OpenCart by Webkul. So you'll have to have that first, and then you can make use of this particular plugin. That's the OpenCart multi-vendor marketplace product label plugin. So before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do give it a thumbs up. So first of all, let me show you how these labels or the badges get visible to the users or the customers at the storefront, and on which different pages are these visible. So first I'll take you through the storefront, and then we'll be checking how these can be assigned to the products by the marketplace vendors, and lastly by the admin, and the rest of the configurations there that are required by the web store admin before making use of this particular plugin within his OpenCart multi-vendor marketplace web store by Webkul. So right now you can see that I'm at the marketplace storefront, and here I'm on the product page, on the product is black jacket. So here you can see that on the top right hand corner, basically this is customizable, whether you want to have it at the top right, top left, bottom left, bottom right. So according to that, you can assign this assign the products with the different labels. And here you can see that we have already assigned one label to the black jacket, and this is visible on the product page itself. Now let's go to the other page. So here you can see that I'm at one of the categories right now, and on the category page as well, here you can see that the beach brown dress has one of the badges or the labels assigned to the product, and this one is the other one. Here as well you can see the badges or the labels are assigned to the products here as well. So this was on the category web, and this is on the product page. This one is on the search page. So I've searched for the big modern necklace, and here you can see that on the bottom right hand side we have this particular logo, or what we say is the label or the badge itself. So on the search page as well. Now coming to the manufacturer section here you can see that I've filtered it out for the awesome brand for the manufacturer there, and here as well the products are visible with the particular product label or the badges, as you can see here. So this was on the manufacturer page. Now coming to the product comparison page, here as well you can see I've added two products for comparison, and both of the products are having the product label at the top left hand corner and bottom right hand corner there. Thereafter, alright, this is the same one, that's the product comparison page. And lastly, on the special offers page as well, you can see that the particular product labels that have been assigned to different products are visible here. So here if I scroll down, you can see that on the special offers page as well, the product labels are visible on the product, like this one, that's the Caesar salad. And that's how basically the customers can check the different offers using the product labels. So let me take you through one by one. Once again, this was the product page, this was the category page, this was on the search page, this was for the manufacturer page, then the product comparison page, and lastly the special offers page also has the products with the product labels. Now that was the customers end. Now let's see how the marketplace vendors would be able to set up the product labels for their products. So for that, what I'll be doing is I'll be logging into my vendor account within the OpenCart platform based marketplace web store by entering my username and the password here. So here I'll just choose the email and the password for my vendor, and then I'll just tap here in the login button. So you can see that I've logged into my account here. So if I go to my account page, here's the seller section, and here on the right hand side we have the marketplace menu options. As you can see, all of them are basically being displayed here on the right hand side. Now how will the marketplace vendors be able to add the what we say as the product labels to their products? So for that, what they need to do is they need to navigate to their product list. So the vendor just needs to navigate to his marketplace block here, and with the options for the marketplace, and here he'll go to his product list by tapping here in the product list option, and that brings up the complete list of products for the vendor itself. And from here, while adding a new product or the already created products that are there, so according to those, the vendor can add the product labels to them. So for a new product, for example, if I tap here in the add button to add a new product, we'll be redirected to the add new product page. Here, after you set up all of the details regarding the product, you'll have to go to the product label tab here, as you can see, and from here you'll be able to enable or disable the product label for this particular product that you're going to create. So for that, to enable, just choose enable, then choose the label position, whether left top, left bottom, or the right top or the right bottom you want to set it up. Then you can set up the width and the height of your product label, and then here you can choose the image that would be visible on the product itself, and thereafter you'll have to tap here on the apply button to apply the particular product label to this respective product. Now coming to the already created product, for example, we have the Caesar salad or here, so I'll just edit this particular product, and here again I'll be navigating to this tab, that's the product label tab, and here you can see that we had the same product at the storefront as well. So if I show you that, here is the Caesar salad, and bottom right hand corner we have this product label. Now the same is visible here. So to an already created product, you can choose the option enable, set up the label position where you want to set it up. For example, left top, set the width and the height, add the image, and tap here on the apply button thereafter. So now you can say that this product label has been applied, and here you have this option to preview the product label. So if I tap here on the preview button, you'll be able to see the product itself, the product image, and on that you'll see the particular product label, as you can see. So we had set it as at the top left hand corner, so that's why it's showing the same. So let's go back. So that was how we can edit the already created product and assign a product label to the same. So you can create your own product labels, and according to that you can then assign them to your products there. So that was the marketplace vendors end. Now let's log into the admin backend panel, and let's see the initial configurations and the rest of the flow there. And apart from that, one more thing is there. For example, let me show you that. So this product label tab that we have within the new and the already created products, this can be enabled by the admin from the backend panel. So I'll be showing you that as well, how the admin can do that. So let's log out of the marketplace vendor account, and now we'll be logging into the backend for the OpenCart multi-vendor marketplace there. So here we are on the backend panel, and from here we'll be entering the username password for the backend of our OpenCart platform based marketplace web store. So after the successful installation of this particular plugin, you need to make some initial configuration. So you'll have to navigate through extensions and then tap on the extensions. Here under the modules, you'll have to go to the add product label one and tap here in the edit button. So after the installation, you'll have this add product label option there. So now here you can see that we have the add product label configuration page itself, and here we have the option to set up the label position. So the admin can choose it as left top, left bottom, right top, right bottom. He can set up the width and the height of the particular labels. He can set up the add label to product page. So if you want to add the product labels on the product page, then you'll have to choose it as enabled. Otherwise, if you disable this particular thing here, then what we are seeing here on the product page, this what we say as the product label would not be visible to the customers or the users there at the storefront. So you'll have to set it as enabled. Similarly, you can set up the add label to search page. So we can right now see the labels on the search page as well. So if this is disabled here, then it would not be visible. And the same goes for the category page. You can enable or disable the visibility of the product label. Similarly for the manufacturer page, similarly for the compare page, then similarly for the special page. And here you have the status to enable or disable the particular product label functionality for your marketplace web store. Now lastly, we have the seller's label permissions. So basically from here the admin can set up the label permissions, or where exactly the labels would be visible for the marketplace vendor products. So here you can see that we have chosen the different places like the product page, search page, category page, manufacturer page, compare page, and the special page itself. So you can remove or add or check the ones that you want to allow for the marketplace vendors, where they can basically where exactly the visibility would be there for the seller's product labels. And after that, you'll have to just tap here on the save configuration button, and we are done making the initial configurations. Now how the admin would be able to add the product labels to his products. So for that, we'll have to navigate to marketplace, and under that we'll go to the products section. So the marketplace product labels is an add-on to the multi-vendor marketplace or web store by Webkul. So you'll have to have this marketplace first, then you can make use of the marketplace product label plugin there. So we can do the same for the marketplace admin as well. The admin can add the product labels to a new product or to a already created one as well. So for in the case of a new one, just tap here in the add button. That will bring up the add product section, and here you'll have the product label, and from here you can enable that up. You can choose the label position for your products for this particular product, width and the height of the product, and then choose the image and tap here in the apply button. So this is in the case of a new product, and in the case of an already created product of the admin. So let me check that up. All right, let's edit this one. That's the beach prompt dress, and let's go to the product label. So here you can see that the product label has been already enabled. The position is left top, the width, height of the label, product label, and the image is there. So you can add these things and tap on the apply button, and according to that, the particular thing or the particular product label would be visible on the respective page as required. Now let me show you how the product label tab would be visible and how this can be configured by the admin. So for that, we'll have to go to marketplace, and under that we'll be navigating to the configuration. So all right, and what I'll do is I'll just navigate through extensions here, extensions, and on the extension page we'll have to go to the marketplace one, and here we will have to tap on the edit button under the action column, and then we'll have to go to the product tab for the marketplace, and here we'll just scroll down, and here you can see that allowed product tabs. Now from here, the admin would have to choose the MP product label, so that this particular product tab would be available on the new as well as on the already created product. And then the vendor as well as the admin would be able to basically assign the product labels using this particular one. If you remember, let me show you that once again. So this is the product label tab, and this would be accessible like from here. If I go to products for the admin, and if I tap here in the edit, or if we are creating a new one, and then this is the tab that we are talking about. So this would be available only after you have set the allowed product tab here for the MP product label under the product tab for the marketplace itself. So that was much about the OpenCart multi-vendor marketplace product label plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then kindly reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. You can also contact us through www.webkul.com/contact. And if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.